This is a QR code API generated using AI. You can easily earn money by selling API on websites like RapidAPI. In case you don't know, RapidAPI is a website for buying and selling API. Here we have different API like Text Translator API, Recipe API, Google Translate API. First, ask ChatGPT to write a code for Python Flask API server that takes GET request with URL as string and convert it to QR code image and send it back as API response. It would take a few minutes. Copy this code, paste it in a Python file. I am writing some code to run it. Save the file and run it. Copy this URL and paste it into the browser. Type the URL of a website to generate QR code. Here it is. Let's change URL. Our code is working properly. Now go to pythonanywhere.com and create your account. Now click on Open Web Apps. Click Add New Web App. Click Next. Choose Flask and then choose the Python version. Click Next. Now click on Go to Directory and open this. Now copy the code and paste it here. Click on Save. Reload the website. Our website is live and working properly. Now go to RapidAPI and sign up. Go to My API. Click on Add API Project. Add some details of API. Click on Add API Project. Go to Hub Listing. Add some details of API. Add the base URL of the website. Click Save. Now go to Endpoints and add endpoints. Save and click View in Hub. Click on Test Endpoints. It's working properly. Now go to Monetize and set the price plans for the buyers. If anyone uses your API, you will get paid. Here is my API. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.